Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English with Fun. Are you ready to improve your English step by step? In this video, you will learn English with easy and simple sentences. We will read the sentences slowly and clearly to help you pronounce them correctly. So please, read the sentences out loud and repeat after me every time. Let's start and practice together.
I wake up early. I wake up early. I get up at 7 a.m. I get up at 7 a.m. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I wear my clothes. I wear my clothes. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I put on deodorant. I put on deodorant. I make my bed. I make my bed. I tidy my room. I tidy my room. I open the window. I open the window. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read messages. I read messages. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I make coffee. I make coffee. I fry eggs. I fry eggs. I cut bread. I cut bread. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I drink tea. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I clean the table. I clean the table. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I take my bag. I take my bag. I check the door. I check the door. I leave the house. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I go to work. I go to work. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I start work. I start work. I talk to my colleagues. I talk to my colleagues.
I work on my tasks. I work on my tasks.
I answer emails. I
answer.
emails. I drink water. I drink water. I take a break. I take a break. I finish work. I finish work. I go back home. I go back home. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I relax on the sofa. I relax on the sofa.
I watch TV. I watch TV.
I use my phone. I use my phone. I have dinner. I have dinner. I take a shower. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I go to bed. I read a book. I read a book. I sleep early. I sleep early.